Hey y'all, welcome to the Heidi House. I want to thank Madison Reed for another flawless luxury color from home. Y'all, Madison Reed, they've got your color. They have actually IRL color bars around the country. They don't have one in Spokane, but I bear my testimony. I've been using this product since Ulta Beauty shut down during the pandemic when a bitch had bleached her hair blonde. What a miserable thing. First time this chestnut curls Florida girl had ever bleached her hair blonde. So I got my hair back in shape. I use a combination of henna. I use color glazes made by Madison Reed. Very happy with the product, but enough of that. Let's get to the laundry. Amen. How was everybody's day? What a blessing to have a washing machine. And honey, we don't want to let things sit. Let's go ahead and put things away as we use them and get the laundry rotated. When it's done in the washer, get it in the dryer. When it's done in the dryer, fold it up, hang it up, put it away. Put it away, baby. Put it away. All right. Hey, y'all, I want to give a shout out to City Councilman Ben Stuttgart. He got arrested for civil disobedience, and I do have to say, I believe in national security. Y'all know it's offended some folks, but I rarely will talk about my vote, but I did vote for President Trump again. And at the same point, I'm a Florida native. I know that ICE was created post Y2K, I believe. And it is actually, from a constitutionalist, elected libertarian point of view, it is unconstitutional. So I don't know the two gentlemen who got deported. I don't agree with the folks who actually did sit-ins and, they spray painted the windshield of a federal vehicle. But I do have to tell you this. Peaceful people should be able to cross borders freely. If you're from a border state like Texas, California, Florida, honey, every state is a border state. The world is getting connected. We've got such inequity. 2/3 of the world lives without sanitation, without adequate nutrition, etc. So just saying, I believe in capitalism. Y'all know I love America, but I'm just saying I definitely respect City Councilman Ben Stuttgart. He ran for mayor against Mayor Nadine Woodward. Might not agree with him on everything, but I do believe